Are you ready, little scars? Are you ready? Good little scars, let's go. Hey guys, okay, so I'm gonna do my first glam. I decided on the James Charles, the one that actually had the title full glam in it. Did not include face, so I went to his tutorial about his face, and it's really long. So I got up to the point where he just has foundation and concealer on and powder and all that stuff. And I know it's hard to tell, or you might be able to tell because it's really chalky, because I don't wear makeup, and this is weird. It's very there. Okay, yep, this is chalky, and this is okay. I have really dry skin. Look at my eyelids right now. This is like disgusting. And the only concealer I have is this freaking, I mean, it's my skin tone because I'm extremely light, but it don't cover up my zits. They're not even zits. This is scarring, which is really unfortunate. And if I could go back in time and stop myself, you know, like yesterday from like picking, then I would. I'm not gonna sit and try to cover them up. You know, my scars are just gonna hitch a ride and join us. Are you ready, little scars? Are you ready? Good little scars, let's go. Okay. Flash forward to the future. As you can see, I do have the face done. Did I succeed? No. But did I try? Yes. Are the scars here? Yes. Are you having fun, little scars, with all the makeup on you? Okay, don't worry, I'll wash you off in a little bit. The face part of this glam got really chaotic. And I was like, I cannot put this in the video. I cannot even follow what's going on while I'm in the moment. Like, it was that chaotic because I don't have half the stuff, and it's just rough. Here's a couple snippets if you're wondering, and then you will thank me for not putting this in the video.
Contour and a bronzer, which are not the same thing. To contour,
I didn't know that.
Shade like a very big fluffy brush.
I don't know what to do.
Look at a trick the eye into thinking that my jawline is defined. Kind of the top of my nose.
I don't have a different brush.
Routine or even last, but for me, if you have dry skin, have more powder. I
don't even know what that means. My skin looks like a crackling desert floor. So yes, it was pretty chaotic, and now I look like this. And plus, you know, the eyes are the funnest part, and that just seems a little bit chiller, and that's like the focal point. But you're still gonna get the whole thing without having to live how this came to be. So I have everything done except for the eyes. So now let's start the eye glam. Okay, sisters, let's do this. Why am I always wearing one of my nasty pajama shirts and no bra in every single video? Oh my god. Just to preface this, I have two eyeshadow palettes. They're very at the opposite ends of the spectrum. I have Mini Controversy. And I also have this e.l.f. palette, which I don't even want to know how old this is. Let's just hope the colors that he uses, I can find something close to it. Okay, let's go, sister.
And everything else today, and make this a super quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to start with the eye side with my Morphe 25B palette. So I'm first going to go in with this orange transition shade up in here with my M441 and just buff that into the crease.
That kind of looks like Diet Root Beer.
M433 and dip into this red.
Oh, whoa.
Up in here.
We're slowing, I mean, we're getting too fast. Okay, so that one, I'm going to use this Diet Root Beer. All right, okay, wait. I'm a beauty guru. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, Diet Root Beer. Is that good? Did you almost think I was legit? This is very nerve-wracking. Not as nerve-wracking as Oh, hi Phoebe. Not as nerve-wracking as like eyeliner is for me and eyelashes. This is a freaking train wreck. Okay, this is as good as it's gonna get. Let's keep going, sister.
Crease. I don't want this eye look to have too much dimension. I'm kind of keeping it really, really soft and light today.
Okay, that color kind of looks like my apology. So I'm gonna go in with my apology and do whatever James is doing. He said outer V, so I'm gonna do. Okay. Outer, whoa, shoot, man. I mean, maybe it's this brush. Like, he's using a really fluffy brush, I feel like, and I don't have one of those. Oh. A poor workman blames his tools. Well, you know what? Sometimes it's the truth. They look so different. I don't know if you guys can tell, but in this, we're looking like sisters, not twins. Oh, sisters, wow. Okay, let's go, sister. Do I look like you?
It's blended though, so I'm really making sure to go in with those colors and blow them out.
I'm trying.
Next, I'm gonna go back into that M433 and I'm gonna dip into this dark brown shade right down here and just deepen up.
Oh God, I already did a dark brown. Okay, well then I'm gonna do a dark brown.
For the lid today, I'm gonna grab my M. Okay,
so for the dark brown, I'm gonna do this little dark brown right here with the same brush. Okay, I have darkened the creases, sister.
170-0 brush and dip into this shade right here and sort of
oh, it's like a light little
I'm
pink.
just using this brush in the shadow to cut out the inner corner and
lid.
About halfway. This is basically going to be a half cut crease, and then I'm just going to blend out the outer corner with the same orange shadow from before.
Wow. Okay, okay. So for that, I'm gonna do this one, this little shimmery pink, I guess. Okay, I did what he said.
For a little bit more dimension, I'm going to layer over top of that shadow with the new ColourPop single shadow in the shade Liar Liar. I'm just going to use the same exact brush. I have not used any of these shadows yet, so I'm super excited to see how it looks on the eye.
So it's like a...
Oh my god! These are really, really pretty. Okay, I'm actually loving how the shadow is applying. This looks so...
So that's kind of like Cry on My Couch, right? That's what it looks like he had. So I'm gonna do that.
Liner, and for this I'm going to use my absolute fave, the Kat Von D tattoo liner in the shade Trooper. Roll up the sleeves because this is some serious action about to go down.
This is my worst nightmare. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do what he's doing. I've never done this for real. And okay, so if you watched my, where did I put it? Video from a couple weeks ago, I tried these magnetic lashes and that's all that I have right now. So we're gonna go with it. I'm gonna use this liner. My eyes are tiny. My eyelids are tiny. I shouldn't have eyeliner on at all, which I usually don't, but.
Pull up the sleeves because this is some serious action about to go down.
Okay, he draws it up and then, okay, wait. And then he swishes it. Okay. I already messed up. Oh, crap. How are you doing, little scars? We're doing so good, Sammy. You're doing such a kind of good job. We're kind of proud of you. Yay.
What happened to your eyes?
I'm doing makeup.
Oh, okay. Looks beautiful.
Wow, thanks. You guys, I was not joking. This one looks actually, the shape is not that bad. This one, however, looks really circly and like and this one is more like this, and this one's like this, you know what I'm saying? But this is probably as good as it's gonna get, you know, like I can't like take it away or anything.
Something that's really hard.
Oh, I didn't know he went all the way in. Okay, let me add some, even though, oh, this is like, okay, see this eyeliner, not that bad. This is, I don't even want to look at it. I don't even want to talk about it. I look like two completely different people.
The lower lash line, I'm going to grab my M433 in that same original orange transition shade and just start to pop that in. But I'm only going to keep this color on the outer corner.
Outer corner. Back to the diet root beer. Back to the diet root beer. Hi, Phoebe.
Shade of black bean.
Oh, I'm not doing the waterline. I know you should, but I cannot. I'm not gonna do it.
Yeah, do that with whatever pencil.
I'm not gonna do that.
It's not that deep.
Not gonna do it.
On my lower waterline and open up my eyes, I'm gonna be using the Tarte Fake Awake eye pencil. I've been loving using nude pencils in the waterline lately. Black obviously closes your eyes and makes them look really sexy and sultry, and then white.
I don't have that.
So nude is obviously.
So I'm gonna skip this step as well.
That goes without saying. Tweezers and pick up one of these little crystals and a little bit of black glue and just.
I also don't have the crystals. Okay, now's the time. Let's put on these little magnetos. Magnetos. You can see my real eyelashes because they're covered in eyeshadow.
Alright, I just put on some mascara and then curled it.
Oh yeah, I forgot that that's what you have to do. You have to put on mascara on your eyelashes. Okay, I can do that because then it'll hide, right? But since these are magnetoed, it might be kind of hard. Oh, they're actually holding on pretty good. Hold on, little lashes. Wow, I look like a hot mess. From afar, you know, with my little baby scars, it's like okay. But once you see what's actually going on, oh my god, I just look like I am just not meant for this. Like some people are just not meant for makeup. Like wearing it or applying it or anything. Like my face is not fit for this. It's really not. Hi, little scars. Oh my gosh. See, like parts of my eyes look okay. The eyelashes don't look that bad. But the problem is with the magnetic ones, well, pretty much with all fake eyelashes, you have to have eyeliner because otherwise you're gonna look funny. But full face is just not for me, but at least I tried it. I tried the GLAM. Oh, yeah, right on the eye. This was like this reminds me of like America's Next Top Model. You won't be on top. Well, that's enough for tonight. I'm gonna take a melatonin and wash this off and brush my teeth and use my ladder pick and watch YouTube and go to bed. I didn't even put on lips. Wasn't I supposed to put on lips?
Ultra blissful highlighter.
It's not over yet. I'm just gonna not.
I'm also gonna pop this highlighter.
What else could you possibly do? Oh my god. You know what? Let's just be done. I'm done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you next time.